Looks pretty amazing, eh? They are delicious, and they will be tasty. Amazing cupcakes, fruit and nut cupcakes. So today I will be preparing a beautiful, lovely, tasty dry fruit or fruit and nut cake with some cashew nuts, walnuts, pistachios, raisins and some beautiful, lovely cherries. And also, if I have some leftover batter, I'm going to make some cupcakes with the dry fruit or the fruit and nut on top. But the trick is I will let the egg white here, which I will fold it into the batter. The batter is the same recipe as the tea cake I prepared before, for which I will share the link in the description. I've got a nice tray here to place my cupcakes. Okay, I could place them here just so that they are supported well while baking. The method is very simple. So whisk the egg white very well. Now for the egg white. You want your cake fluffy, soft? This is the only method. Meanwhile, I will sort my cupcakes and we'll put a small layer on each cupcake. Okay, just a bit. Now drop the dry fruits, just a small quantity, not too much, just a small quantity on each cupcake. So this is going to be fruit and nut cupcake. Now we will seal it up and a small layer on each cupcake, and then it will become the dry fruit and nut. The cherries are here. We will just put on each one a small layer of cut cherry. We will cover the top, okay, just enough, and then you can tap it. It will go all around, and if you wish you can add a cherry on top, but I would say just leave it the way it is. If you don't know, now you know. Very delicious and very healthy, sugarless, beautiful, lovely fruit and nut cupcake. Cheers guys, you will enjoy this lovely baking today. Once empty, we keep watching, alright? Okay, see you later. Cupcake comes out in 30 minutes. We'll check, we need to make sure it's so if the batter sticks here, then you have to give it a little bit more time, but I think we are good for the cupcake. It's ready. We'll take out the cupcake. So the delicious and easy peasy fruit and nut cupcake is ready. Please try this at home. It's very easy, simple, easy peasy recipe. Very tasty, very, very delicious. Cheers and enjoy. Let me give you a quick demonstration here of what you will achieve. Oh my God, you see that? Voila. Tasty, delicious fruit and nut cupcake. The fruit is at the bottom and the nuts are here. Cheers guys, enjoy.